Captains taking the field to call the coin toss with Coach Greg Sawyer. It's like number 27, Andrew Tillman, is one of the captains, and number 17, Sam Herndon, joined by the host of Vestavia 80-pound Blue Rebels. And it looks like the Vestavia Rebels win the toss. They've elected to defer the decision to the second half, and the Hoover Raiders are going to receive the ball. And so Coach Sawyer is rallying his Rebels together. Defense going to take the field first. And they come to the right side. Who's going to step up and make a tackle? And tackled by a host of Vestavia Rebels. Didn't quite see who made that first contact. Looks like number 22. Looks like Sean Smythe stepped up for that one. Number 22, Sean Smythe. Looks like he made the first tackle. A couple other Rebels to join him. And the linebacker's cheating up again. Looks like Coach running looks like a 4-4 defense. Oh, the Raiders come back to that same spot. Somebody made initial contact. Like Sean Smythe's back in there again. I think he got an assist on that particular tackle. Looks like the tackle was made by number 18, Ben Murphy. Looks like he made first contact. Maybe he was set by number 16, Sam Sheridan. Raiders come to the line. And they come into that right side again. Looks like they're going to do quarterback keeper around to the right. Oh, he's still going. Sean Smythe's in a foot race. Can he get him? Can he catch him? They're going. Looks like they're going all the way. Looks like they're going all the way. The Raiders quarterback springs it around the right end for a touchdown for the Raiders.
Touchdown, Hoover Raiders.
And they come to that right side again. Okay, looks like the Rebels have held them. So the Hoover Raiders failed to score the extra point after a 3rd and 4 attempt. A quarterback keeper around the right-hand side. Looks like about a 55 or 45-yard run for a touchdown for the Raiders quarterback, number 63, King Jr. Since today. All right, looks like Cole Johnston lining up under center. Got Sean Smythe and Sam Herndon in the backfield, and Eli Sawyer as a fullback. Offsides right off the bat. That'll penalize the Rebels 5 yards and repeat the first down. I think for scrimmaging purposes today, they're going to forego stepping off the penalty and let the Rebels continue to play from where they're at now. And looks like they're going to the right side. A handoff to Sean Smythe. A little fumble on the handoff there. Little communication error, I think, between the quarterback and the left halfback. Coach Sawyer, obviously, he's got him lined up in the wishbone formation. Wishbone formation. Probably a smart decision for the young team. And Coach Sawyer with some last-minute instructions to his players. And they're coming around to the left side with the quarterback keeper. He's going to turn on speed. Oh, no. Cole Johnston around the left side with the quarterback keeper. Looks like he's tackled for a loss of maybe about 5 yards. I think the tackle's made. I think that was number 1. So the Hoover Raiders made the penetration to make the tackle. That brings up 3rd and about 15. As Cole Johnson lines up under the center. And they pitch to the right. He makes a good clean pitch to Shawnee Smythe. He's a fast one. Oh, just tripped up by a shoestring. He had nothing but green field in front of him. Looks like a little shoestring tackle prevented him from getting around the end. Tough break for Shawnee Mac Smythe and the Rebels. One of the rules in this league is when they elect to punt, they basically get 25 yards. No one actually punts the ball. 7-year-olds obviously wouldn't have the skills to punt. They just step off 25 yards and the other team gets possession of the ball. And the Raiders, King Jr. lining up under the center. Makes the handoff on the right-hand side. Looks like he breaks a couple of tackles. Who finally made that first contact? I think that may have been Shawnee Mack again, stepping up from the safety position to make the first contact. Second and 5 for the Raiders. He makes a snap. We get a little penetration there. Raiders quarterback keeps it around the left-hand side. He breaks a couple of tackles. Looks like he juked a couple of guys over there. And making the tackle is number 22, Sean Smythe again. I think he's got 4 or 5 tackles already in the first few plays here. Not sure what the call is. Referees whistle the play dead, but I'm not sure what the call was. Looks like I had a little trouble there on the snap. They made the handoff anyway. He busts up the middle. Can Sean reach him in time? No, not quite. Number 69 for the Raiders scores another touchdown. That's 2 touchdowns for the Raiders.
Touchdown Raiders.
And come around the right-hand side, a host of Rebels to make the tackle. And Cole Johnston lined up at quarterback again. They hand it off up the middle to Eli Sawyer. Runs hard, but didn't quite get any yardage there. Host of Raiders there to make the tackle. And they do the in around. That looks like Sam Herndon with the ball. Going around the right-hand side. Not able to gain any yards. Not quite able to get around the speedy, very fast Hoover defense. Rebels continue to have problems getting any traction here on the offense. And that's the end of the first quarter.
At the end of the first quarter, the Hoover Raiders lead 12-0.